Greetings from the realm of tsla stocks, where opportunities abound and the course of transportation is being drastically altered. The stock market is the stage on which everything happens, and Tesla is the star of the show with its innovative ideas and groundbreaking electric vehicles. These days, we discuss more than just stocks. We discuss the future. This week, Tesla, which is a shining example of innovation, is in the epicenter of a financial maelstrom. Robots work behind the scenes to build the devices that have transformed transportation, dancing to the beat of perfection. What, though, is driving Tesla's meteoric ascent? Is it Elon Musk's brilliance or his unwavering quest for renewable energy? Or maybe it's a confluence of all of these factors, plus a whole lot more. The stock market is a battleground this week, and tsla is a strong competitor. However, what elements are involved? Is it going to defy gravity again, or are storm clouds approaching? Come along as we examine the highs, lows, and thrilling moments that may influence Tesla's future course. This is for you, Tesla fans, investors, and inquisitive brains. But before we continue, please hit the like and subscribe buttons on this video. Let's start this video with some Tesla stock news. Envision yourself about to go on an exhilarating adventure, such as a road trip to Disneyland. You're prepared to travel, you've loaded your car with gas and packed your belongings. The surprise is that, in this instance, the adventure is the newly updated Model 3 from Tesla. It has all the bells and whistles of the most luxurious attraction at a theme park. The only problem is that this exhilarating experience isn't currently available in the US. It's only offered in China and Europe. You cannot enter at this time. Someone recently kept refreshing the Tesla website in the hopes of seeing the new Model 3 available in the US since they were so excited about it. Maybe it's here now, they thought, but sadly it's not. You might wonder why. As it happens, Tesla chose to launch it first in China. It resembles the world premiere of a hugely popular film, but limited to China and Europe. It will take a little longer for people in the US to get on the ride. The Model S and Model X are the other players in this Tesla narrative that we will now discuss. They resemble the hipper elder siblings of the Tesla clan. These vehicles have been in the market for a while and have always been a little more costly. But hey, what do you know? Tesla recently gave them a makeover. For another reason, not because they needed it to seem cool. They reduced their costs. It's like receiving an unexpected bargain on an upscale item. This price reduction also represents something unique. In the US, a $7,500 tax credit is currently available for these cars. It is comparable to discovering a hidden treasure trove of gold coins. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, wants to see more of these vehicles sold. He's telling everyone about it, not hiding it from them. Let's now change our focus and begin watching the video. It's similar to going to school, only we're learning about something equally important, Tesla's earnings, instead of algebra or history. Consider this cash as the lifeblood of Tesla's operations. A robust heartbeat indicates that the business is doing well. It's also advantageous if you hold Tesla stock since it appreciates in value. It's not coincidence that Tesla has been making more money lately. It's all because of the updated Model 3. People are lusting after this car because of its stylish new look, which is attracting attention. This is where the story gets more complicated. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, alluded to the possibility that they will have to cut the pricing even further during their most recent results conference. You might wonder why. The reason for this is that fewer people than in the past are purchasing electric vehicles. It's similar to when you have a lemonade stand and people start to ask for less lemonade. Once more, why? Thus, individuals are becoming more frugal with their finances. Their disposable income has decreased, so they are reconsidering purchasing an electric vehicle. Thus, the costs of the Model S and Model X have changed as of late thanks to Tesla. This year, not once or twice, but 7 times. It's like riding a never-ending roller coaster where you never know when the next turn would occur. Let's now take a closer look at this. In order for the Model X to qualify for a unique category in the US, akin to receiving a golden ticket, its price was lowered. The $7,500 tax credit that I previously described is this golden ticket. The problem is that, despite its recent decrease in price, it remains more costly than the Model 3 and Model Y. It's comparable to an upscale chocolate treat that costs more than an ice cream cone. The Model 3 is now the true star of this tale. It's not just any car, rather, it's the star of the show. Tesla makes a lot of money with this vehicle. Many had hoped that the new Model 3 would be even more affordable, particularly in China, where there is fierce competition from other automakers. However, it appears that the plot isn't developing as everyone had anticipated. Lastly, let's discuss Tesla's secret sauce: consistent revenue growth. A money tree in your backyard is akin to that. They do things in clever ways. And what do you know? The updated Model 3 is similar to their covert tool for increasing profits. It resembles a magical enchantment that transforms objects into gold. China is where the new Model 3 is making its debut before it does anywhere else. Since China is essentially the electric car industry's battlefield, Tesla is keen to succeed there. They are in competition with BYD, another significant company. In the world of electric cars, there's a competition to be the best, and Tesla wants to be on top. The new car is priced 12% more in China than the previous base model and is being produced in Tesla's Shanghai facility. However, this car isn't only headed to China. It's going to be traveling throughout Asia, Europe, and even the Middle East. Tesla's first addition to its mass-market vehicle lineup since the release of the Model Y in 2020, a car that went on to become an enormous global hit, is this improved Model 3. Based on Chinese testing requirements, the updated Model 3 boasts a significantly higher driving range, minus 606 kilometers for the base model, to be exact. That represents a 9% increase above the base model that it is replacing in China. In China, Tesla has already begun accepting orders, with delivery scheduled for the upcoming fourth quarter. Additionally, they're getting ready to introduce this model in the US, which might spark a massive surge in demand for Tesla automobiles. Why? Because it has a number of benefits over the competition's current products. What's new with the updated Model 3 then? It looks sleeker and more sophisticated, almost if a Hollywood celebrity has had a makeover. The headlights are slimmer, the taillights are revised, the front end is smoother, and there are stylish new wheel designs.